Now we're gonna open this up. We're still using the Rapu. At least so 3. I don't know how long that will take. Now, there we go. So this 32 in 1 repair kit. Just one bubble wrap. Just a single bubble wrap. I don't know. Bubble wrap. There. We have our item. What does it? 32 in 1 multi-purpose precision screwdriver. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna check this out. Alright. What is this? Do we have our Nintendo? Do we have it? I think this is it. The Nintendo one? I don't know if it's this one. Dang it, man. Focus. Focus, man. Dude, focus. I can't focus, damn it. Anyway, yeah, let's start. Start screw. Well, there's a small one too. 2.1. Wait. How much was this again? There we go. Oh yeah, baby, that's cool. Page 0000001 to 1.5, 2.0. Yeah, that's cool. T5. What's T5? I only bought this for the triangle one because that's the one for the PS Vita or something. For the Nintendo ones. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. What is happening right now? What? Wait. Is it? No. Oh, it is. Oh, what? No. Well, so yeah, I'm gonna have to put it in. I'm gonna have to put it in. Like. Ah, what? I do not understand. Why is it not entering? Looking. Anyway, that's it. We're going to. I'm just going to cut it off. How much was this? 200 plus? I think it's 200 plus? 230? Yeah, I don't know. Oh. Oh. So you have to put it in here. Holy shit, what? That's stupid. What the fuck was that? What was that about? Oh, is it because it's for the other one? Wait, what if we try and use this one? Oh, that's just stupid. If we put that thing in there, like, no. No, it's here. I don't understand. Why is it not able to be? Come on, enter you fucking thing. Does it even work? No, I don't think it does though. Oh, oh this is stupid. Oh, who the hell made this shit? Alright, we're done. It's done. I don't know why, but it won't enter. It won't enter the thing. It won't enter the damn thing. I don't know what's stopping it. Anyway, thank you for watching.